There have been a series of meetings that are being held right now, and it seems that the Defence Minister Rajnath Singh has left his residence for probably some kind of a meeting. Joining me right now are Sunil Prabhu and Nazir Masoodi from Srinagar and Sunil from Delhi. Sunil, obviously there have been a series of meetings since yesterday, but we have seen a deafening silence from the PMO as well as Prime Minister, who did tweet about the meeting that was held with the chief ministers yesterday. But the Indian government has not been very forthcoming with with many statements. We've heard MEA, but not anything from the PMO, not even condolence messages.
Well, let's put things in perspective, Anjali. You raise an important and a vital point. The fact, of course, is that the Prime Minister, along with his cabinet colleagues, what I'm calling an informal CCS. I don't know whether, because the CCS is usually secret, we don't know whether it was a formal cabinet committee on security that met. But all the CCS members, along with the army chief, had a late night discussion on the various options, taking stock of the situation and what needs to be done. Having said that, yes, you're right, there has been a deafening silence, but definitely, and that is why political parties have questioned this. From the Congress party, there have been statements yesterday making a departure from the earlier positions, as well as today, Rahul Gandhi asking why is the Prime Minister keeping quiet, and why has China killed our soldiers, why has China invaded our land and territory, and we really need enough is enough and responses from there. So those are aspects that we'll definitely go into. As you rightly said, there are a series of meetings that are taking place. As I said, all options are being discussed. They have got and taken stock of how this encounter happened, what exactly are the pros and cons, because this was a 15-hour-long skirmish that took place between the Chinese, and it's in that backdrop that they're trying to find a way forward. There has been a statement from the Ministry of External Affairs, but definitely, as you point out, there would be hopefully some kind of statement or at least a tweet from the Prime Minister, because this has been something which has really disturbed him immensely. That's what we have been told, that the Prime Minister has been upset with the developments. He's taking stock of the situation. We will definitely hear from him, but definitely at this present juncture, they are looking at all possible options and studying the entire situation in its entirety.